I just turned this single photo into a full product shoot using AI. The photos, the videos, the ads, even the logo. And because it all runs on ready-made workflows, I never wrote a prompt, and you don't need any design skills to do this. Let me show you how it works. For this, I'm using Kittl. Kittl is an AI-first design platform made for creators, and they just launched something called AI Workflows. Inside the AI Hub, there's now a whole library of ready-made workflows, and the clever part is that someone already built the exact setup for every piece of content your product could need. Let me show you. This is the necklace I'm completely obsessed with, so today we're building it a whole world of content that matches its vibe. This is the main page of Kittl, and to start creating for the necklace, I will scroll down, and here under Start a Workflow, there are all these workflows already pre-made for us, ready to use with any product. Okay. So this video really caught my eye, but let's start with images first, and then we will get to those videos. I will scroll down to product visuals, where I can place my product into different scenes. I think the botanical product scene will fit my necklace really well, so let me click on that. Now I need to upload my product image. I will drop the necklace image in, just like this, and click Use Image. Now that my product is right here, all that's left is choosing the scene. Kittl created these different botanical scenes for me, and I can also upload a custom scene, but we will get to that soon. Let me pick this one. I think these leaves will look best with the necklace. Now I choose how many images to generate. Let's go with 2. And you can generate up to 4 at once, which is really convenient. And the only thing left is to click Generate. And Kittl creates 2 images of the necklace in the scene I chose. Let's see how it turned out. All right, look at these 2 beautiful. It even changed the angle of the necklace, and it looks so realistic. I love how easy that was, and I'm really happy with these results. From here, you can download the image and use it wherever you want, or edit it in one of your existing projects. I will download this image and add it to a dedicated project for the necklace later. Now, let's say you went through all the ready scenes Kittl made for us, but you have a scene of your own, an image you want to place your product into. So you can click on Custom, upload any image, and implement your product right into it. Let me pick this image, click Use Image, and let's generate 2 more, this time with a custom scene I just uploaded. I will hit Generate, and let's see the results. Okay, interesting. It didn't take my exact scene, but it took the surface, the material of the table, and placed the necklace on top of it. Interesting. That's also beautiful, and honestly, this is a very good product shoot. Imagine I needed to do this myself and hire a photographer for this shot. I made it without even writing a prompt. That's crazy. Okay, I will download these images as well, so I can add them to my project. And now let's go generate some videos. Now let me go back to the main page and scroll down for those videos. And let's say I want a video of my product spotted in the wild, just like this, on a model. I will click on it and drop my necklace image, just like I did before. Now the only thing left is describing my model, and it's optional. I can leave it empty, and Kittl will generate something that looks good with my product. So I will describe what I want. I will type woman, age 20, blonde, tan. I think that's the model that will fit that necklace. And next, the background, I can pick one of the pre-made options here, like restaurant or shop or etc., or write exactly what I want. So let me just write what I want. I want a tropical island close to the ocean and very bright and sunny day. I can also generate more than one video, so let me just pick two to see two different options, and I will hit generate. Video generation takes a bit longer than images, which makes sense. It's like every AI tool. So I will pause and come back the moment it's ready. And here are the two results. Look how realistic this is. And it actually listened exactly to what I asked for. That's beautiful. And again, so easy. I really didn't even prompt a thing. So let me generate one more video. You can see the different options we have here in Kittl. I will click on View All to see all the video workflows. And just remember, even if a video shows a different product than yours, that's totally okay. I just placed a necklace in the last one and it turned out perfectly. Okay, so let's try this one, a giant hanger. That's so cool. Let's see how it handles a necklace instead of a t-shirt. I will click on it, add the necklace, and now I just need to select a city or a place. I don't want to pick one of these options. I'm going with Hawaii. Yeah. All right. Let's see how it turned out. And here is the result. That's so cool. It placed the necklace in such a special way. It looks like a scene from a movie. I love it. Okay, I will download it too for my board later. Let me go back to the main page because this feature also works in the other direction. Let's say I only have an image of the product on a person, or I just took a casual photo of the necklace and I want to create a clean product shot for an e-commerce shop, for example. I can do that here in Kittl too. I will click on this option, pick one image with the necklace. Let's say this one, and generate two different images. And as you can see, from that one image, I just created two studio shots of my product. So even if all you have is a photo you took casually in the moment, you can turn it into a studio shoot. I will download these as well. And just before I show you one more very cool option here, let me show you the board with everything I created for this necklace. So you can get an idea of how much you can make with very little effort without writing a single prompt. Okay, I will go back to the main page and I will create a new project. Here on the left, I will click create. For the new project, I will go with a standard artboard. It doesn't really matter because I can add more artboards along the way. Now I can drop in all the images and videos I generated, so everything is organized in one place. I won't waste your time, so I will pause and show you the ready board. And here is the final result. Everything I created in one place. Look at this. This is the one image I started with. And now look how many things came out of just that one image. All the photos, all the videos too. This is professional content from one single image and without prompting. Crazy. Okay, now let me show you the final thing I want to create here. I will go back to the AI Hub and this time I want to generate a logo. A logo for the brand of this necklace. I will scroll down and here at the end, you can see that I can match a logo style. Let's click on that. The first thing I need is to upload a design I love. I will choose this logo. It looks great and really complements the necklace vibe. Okay, click use image. And now I describe what I want to change in this design to make it my own. So what I wrote is, keep this style, change the name to corals, ocean light blue palettes. And just before generating, let me add just one more thing. Change the text tagline to be Hawaiian jewelry. All right. Yes, I will generate 2 options so I can pick the best one and hit generate. And here are the results. This looks beautiful. I love it. Let me just pick this one, hit edit, and choose the project where all my creations are. And now I will add it to the board as the logo of this brand. AI workflows are live on Kittl right now and it's free to start. So go see what's in there. And if you want the full experience, my code workflows gets you 50% off all annual plans for a limited time. Everything is linked below. So go create something beautiful and I'll see you in the next video.